Make a great choice today with the 2025 Express. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. With enhanced towing and hauling capabilities, the Express is built to get the job done. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.